Ajme svima majme, žele vam neće Ultima. Messi. Počeo. Da.
Kakuta Lukaku.
It's John Champion and alongside me, Jim Beglin. We're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Well, thanks, John. Hello, everyone. Well, I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. This could be a real cracker.
Chance, skillfully hit. Strike, but straight at the keeper.
Yeah, I'm sure he's just trying to place it in the corner of the net, but he's not likely to score by firing straight at the keeper.
Loses out in a position of some promise. Alexis Sanchez. Now Alexis Sanchez. Cesc Fabregas has got it. Offside. And they've missed the opportunity to go in front. Here's David Luiz. Hazard. Now a chance for a cross from the flank. Okay.
Još i moja lopta. Još i od tebe izgleda. Dime se da šutnu to ima smisla.
15 minutes have passed. It's opened up nicely for him. Opportunity for a goal. Poor challenge.
Oh, foul! Al se te uvatili, i šetili.
Vidimo vas.
Sija mu se glava i ima kosa. Ima vaške. Znači, to ni sudje nije tačno.
Alexis Sanchez. Picked off there. Quick chance for the counter. Play surges forward. He can take the shot on here. Takes a shot. He went all the way there. Great effort.
That's great individual skill he showed in setting himself up for the shot. He was almost rewarded for it handsomely too.
Alexis Sanchez. Neymar. Blatant foul there. Here's Puyol. He nearly reached the half-hour mark. Goes for a long shot. He just took too long there.
Oh, he was way too tentative there. It was almost like he was too afraid to miss it.
Here's Daniel Alves. Cesc Fabregas. This time the referee may decide that he has to take more action. And indeed it is a yellow card. No hard feelings between the two players, but there was an air of cynicism about the foul. And Cesc Fabregas. Now through to Mata.
Shoot! Headshot!
Listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, you'll threaten more from the wider position.
Cesc Fabregas. Cut out in a promising position. Hazard. Cesc Fabregas. The whistle goes and it's the end of the first half.
Well, it's been a really cagey affair. Neither side is able to find the net. Both keepers wouldn't mind a clean sheet, I'm sure, but I'd really love to see a goal just to spark it.
side conceding a goal then? It is.
Quase
0-0.
eletrolase por aqui, olha, portanto deu uma. Sete por aqui,
An interception. Wants to get this forward. He's on his way. No, that's not going to make it.
They may well get a bit more joy than the fans. They'll certainly find more space out there.
A chance. Oh, a fantastic save.
Odakle David
It
Luiz.
was such a good chance.
Gdje on to ide?
The ball's with Cesc Fabregas.
David Luiz nije.
Cesc Fabregas on the ball. Oh, it's been cut out.
A ti igraš sa tim? Pa David Luiz je igrao tamo u Parizu.
I think it's given. And there'll be a yellow card for the foul too. Referee had a good view of it. He's got in. Now the chance. Off he goes. An opportunity missed.
Yeah, you get the feeling that whoever scores the first goal will be the winners of this tie. They can't afford to waste chances like that.
Terry backs it out. Making inroads deep into opposition territory. Steered away. Neymar. Fernando Torres. Now he's ready for a shot. It's on for him. He's onside here. A really impressive run through. Barcelona with a free kick. Rebound!
At this stage of the game, they need to get into a more attacking position.
Can he now find a finish? Intercepted. So now the teams are put on the spot.
And I think both sides will be a little disappointed they haven't registered here. It just seems to be one of those games they tried hard enough, but a bit of bad luck here and there and a touch of poor finishing, and it's led to this.
Well, no way of separating the sides. So we go into the penalty shootout, where even the nerves of experienced penalty takers will surely be tested. Oh, and he's hit the bar, it's come out!
I don't believe it. He's put it wide. You can see in his eyes how disappointed he is with that one.
He puts it in the left corner. A natural leader showing plenty of composure. The skipper stands up to the challenge. And this time it is successful. To the keeper's right.
Well, he's fooled the keeper with that one and sent him the wrong way. Great penalty.
He outsmarted the keeper and it's in. Goes for the right side.